is critical for us to ensure that our employees and our resources are protected. So we decided to do a DHA to ensure we didn't leave anything behind and we didn't forget about any protection that we require. We have 8 mills across Canada, and mills produce a lot of dust and flour. So this is a lot of equipment. So if one explodes and it carries to the rest of the plant, it could create a big chain reaction, which is then you have no control. So Fike explained that an active suppression system, because we're dealing with flour, the explosion could carry very quickly. Then it's very critical to be able to isolate each piece of equipment.
Now that we have the Fike systems installed, we can rest a little bit easier when we go home at night. It's one less thing we have to worry about.
Everything is controlled from the same company: the design, engineering, installation, commissioning, and maintenance.